Not a lot of people get this opportunity to come and learn about other careers.
What really interested me was being in the military, the Coast Guard, the U.S. Navy.
I talked to 8 people and I set up appointments with them.
I really wanted to talk to the NIT. I wanted to do more with heavy equipment.
Today the most was NIT for the heavy equipment experience.
While I was in Excel, it really opened the door.
They can teach you so many things, open up doors for you to see what you want to do.
It'll help you get your job and your career set. It's a very helpful program.
Experience new things, meet new people, get out of your comfort zone. It's worth it.
Sign up.